spokesperson and fashion figure Iris Apfel has revealed she will be collaborating with fast fashion retailer H&M on an eclectic collection, with the announcement coming 1 week after her 100th birthday. Iris expressed her excitement about the upcoming line, saying in a statement, "I think H&M is fabulous and are absolute pioneers in their field, which I love. I love doing high style at affordable prices, which H&M has mastered." The news comes in addition to a wide range of collaborations and events, all part of the star's busy centennial year, including a collection with Zenny, an Etsy collaboration and the curation of a homeware line for Lowe's Co.'s. H&M's creative advisor, Anne-Sophie Johansson, said in a statement, "With this collaboration, we are celebrating a unique and extraordinary woman and her creative and audacious style. She shows that style is ageless and keeps encouraging people to show who they are with fashion and to have fun at the same time." According to Johansson, buyers can expect to see vibrant colors, vivid prints and opulent fabric choices alongside over-the-top jewelry, a signature staple in Iris Apfel's wardrobe. Key pieces are set to include coordinating sets, floral suits, tiered ruffled dresses and printed dresses, with a complementary accessory line alongside the eccentric garments. The collection is set to officially launch at the beginning of 2022, with celebrations of the announcement already underway. The retailer hosted the fashion icon's belated 100th birthday party, alongside Harper's Bazaar, as part of New York Fashion Week. Swedish singer Zara Larsson is set to host a live concert on TikTok in partnership with the Italian sportswear brand Deleuze, following on from the label's announcement that the star will also be its brand ambassador. Luxury watchmaker Hublot has revealed it has selected Italian fashion influencer Chiara Ferragni as its new brand ambassador. Ferragni joins a wide range of names, including tennis player Novak Djokovic, Olympian Usain Bolt and Michelin star chef Claire Smith, as part of the brand's growing prestigious family. Workwear specialist Carhartt Whip has released a series of images featuring photorealistic paintings by London-based artist Lucas Price. Clothing items depicted in the artworks originate from Carhartt's Autumn-Winter 2021 collections, focusing on the brand's classics and fundamental styles.